Have you ever had a terrible day at work? You walk through your front door and slump onto the couch. Suddenly, your dog runs over and puts their head in your lap. They aren't begging for food or a walk. They are simply offering deep, silent comfort. Is it just our imagination, or do they really know? For decades, skeptics called this anthropomorphism. They claimed owners project human feelings onto their pets. But modern canine science proves the skeptics wrong. Your dog isn't guessing how you feel. They are actively reading your mind and body. Dogs have a sophisticated multisensory toolkit for decoding human emotions. First, let's look at how dogs view human faces. Humans naturally look at the left side of another human's face first. This psychological phenomenon is called left gaze bias. The brain's right hemisphere controls the left side of the face. This makes the left side much more emotionally expressive. Scientists discovered that dogs also have left gaze bias. But here is the mind-blowing part. Dogs only use left gaze bias when looking at humans. They don't do this when looking at other animals or objects. Over thousands of years of domestication, dogs rewired their vision. They track your facial muscles to see if you are happy or angry. They can instantly spot a genuine smile from a tense scowl. But vision is only the first layer of their superpower. The real secret weapon is their sense of smell. Every human emotion triggers an immediate chemical shift in the body. When you are stressed, your body floods with cortisol and adrenaline. When you are happy, your brain releases oxytocin. You can't smell these changes, but your dog can. A groundbreaking study tested dogs using human sweat and breath samples. The samples were taken before and after a high-stress math exam. The dogs identified the stressed samples with over 93% accuracy. Your dog knows you are upset before you even cry. Their olfactory receptors intercept your stress signals instantly. They can literally smell your anxiety through the air. This leads to a fascinating phenomenon called emotional contagion. Emotional contagion is the biological foundation of pure empathy. It is the ability to absorb and mirror someone else's feelings. Studies show that a dog's long-term stress hormones mirror their owners. If you are chronically anxious, your dog absorbs that tension. If you are calm and confident, your dog feels completely safe. Thankfully, this biological loop works both ways. When you pet your dog, both of your brains release oxytocin. Your heart rate drops, and your dog experiences the exact same peace. Understanding this hidden superpower changes how we should treat our dogs. First, never train your dog when you are angry or frustrated. They will smell your cortisol and associate training with fear. Second, never try to hide your grief from your dog. Allowing them to comfort you actually lowers stress for both of you. It builds an unbreakable bond between you and your pet. 30,000 years ago, dogs chose to live alongside humans. Their survival depended entirely on understanding our silent language. They became our best friends because they learned to read our hearts. Next time your dog leans against your legs, thank them. They know exactly what you are going through, and they are always built to help you carry it. Welcome to World of Dogs. If you love learning about canine behavior, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below sharing how your dog reads your emotions. Some viewers ask me how I am funding this channel. Please check the link in the box below to check what I am doing. Do